The Waterdrop Undersink water filter system. The innovative Waterdrop Direct Connect Undersink water filtration system uses a multi-stage filtration to reduce chlorine, heavy metals, chemicals, and large sediment particles. At the same time, the filter also retains healthy minerals such as potassium, calcium, sodium, and magnesium. The Waterdrop filter has been certified against NSF ANSI standards to effectively reduce chlorine tastes and odors in your drinking water. Additionally, the Waterdrop utilizes BPA-free materials to ensure the purest filtered water for your home. If you're using the Waterdrop Undersink water filtration system with municipal water, the filter will last for up to 19,000 gallons, depending on which model you choose. When it's time to replace, filters are easily switched out in seconds with the twist and lock design. Best of all, you don't have to worry about flow rate reduction with the Waterdrop Undersink water filter. The system has a tested full flow rate of 0.75 gallons per minute at 60 psi. Installation for the Waterdrop Undersink water filter system was designed for easy DIY. From start to finish, it'll only take about 10 minutes. Since the filter is only 12.3 inches tall, it's easy to find room under your sink to mount it. The system is compatible with all 1/2 and 3/8 female threaded connectors for your cold water line. Overall, the easy install and compact design make the Waterdrop Undersink water filter perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, apartments, and even RVs. The system is also backed by a full 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Here are the pros: excellent multi-stage filtration performance, ultra-long filter life of up to 19,000 gallons, certified against NSF and ANSI standards. Easy installation in under 10 minutes. There's only one con: it does require periodic filter replacement. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.